Hello, Cancer. Here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. This is a general timeless energy reading by Soul Vibrations. So today I'll be using tarot. Also, I'll be pulling a card from the Law of Attractions Oracles. I'll also be using my pendulum to check on your auras or your auras, whatever you mostly know it as. And just as friendly reminder, again, this is a general reading. Also, please check your other placements for additional messages for you. And as a reminder as well, that I am not one to send messages to anyone regarding my services. You will never receive a message from me regarding or asking you, if you want any readings or anything like that. I hope that if you are interested in a personal energy reading, that you would contact me either through my email or TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. But otherwise, again, you won't be hearing from me. With that said, I will let you know that I did pre-shuffle, meditated on your energy, focusing on mind, body, and spirit for the sign of Cancer. And I pulled 3 cards, and so I'll start with the first one. Okay, 3 of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. Beautiful energy, beautiful passing energy, I feel. I feel you in a very creative, I feel a lot of feminine or yin kind of energy here. And, like patience, introspection, compassion, nurturing, intuitive, creative, soft kind of energy here. It shows you here as a possibly working parent or somebody who is truly nurturing to others in this particular time, or in this time in your life. Definitely three, just the number 3 in itself, it's growth, it's creativity, it's group. But I feel it as a like Trinity. It's 3 is like represents magic and intuition, yeah, it definitely invokes expression, versatility, and creativity. And here, and also past, present, future, 3 is very synchronized in some shape or form. But definitely I feel you in that state of like working with others smoothly, or like learning to use your energy wisely for your greatest good, but for the good of all. Page is a very youthful. He's learning how to use his wand. Wands are the fire within ourselves. It speaks to our spirituality, our creativity, our actions, ideas, energy flow, our drive, or our war, our anger as well. I mean, it's Mars mostly also rules, fire signs. And so yeah, I feel you're in a really nice flow, Cancer. I hope that you continue to stay there, and that you bring in all this forward moving in a positive way. And I'm glad that you are of support, emotional, physical, and spiritual support in a good way, not only to yourself, like I said, but to others, as I see here. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful message. I'm totally absorbing. So yes, keep collaborating, healing, everything that you need to do to be in a better place. So with that said, I want to check to see what what Cancer is attracting. Flow. Beautiful. Riches flow into my life in many ways and from many directions. Flow. Beautiful. Okay, with that said, I will move on to asking a pendulum to please show us what chakras do we need to be shedding light on, or keywords that will resonate in our spirit. Okay, sacral chakra. Okay, thank you, pendulum. Most definitely for you, Cancer, it says sacral energy, which is the color orange. It is very much located under your belt and button area, like right before kind of like our private. It's like that's where we hold our connections to others, our connections to money, to our body. And so to feed that and to have that in a balanced state of mind, because it also came here, connections, definitely bring in or be mindful of fluidity, movement, adaptability, physical pleasure, sexuality, emotions, sensation, nurturance, intimacy, desire, need, guilt. This is where we hold those feelings, thoughts, actions. And so, yes, give them a little bit more light to that, more attention to, again, every sensation, to your desires, to your guilt. Bring them out and heal them. And if you meditate on the color orange, wear the color orange. Eat everything that is, fruits and veggies that are the color orange, that is alive. Most definitely, I hope that this message resonates with you, Cancer. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I send you the best of vibes. Thank you. Ciao.